to Space and Tech Solutions. We're over in Romslow, the remote property. What's all this covering? So, this is going to be an office eventually, so at the moment, fitted up there, keeps it away from the house. Set up, current speed's about 280 meg. We then, underneath that, put an outdoor access point, which stores it all over this land. And then from back of it, I said this is temporary. Set up in the corner there. This will be an office. From there, a couple of cat seats, cable runs out the building. Going that way, so that metal building where there's going to be a hot spot in there. This one is clipped all the way down behind all the walls. He didn't want the dish on his property, so pretty good. Better up there out of the way, through the bushes. There's the path into some trunking. And back into the house. Current speeds of this in the house 260 meg. Here's Slash in Knutsford, feel free to get in touch.